In this video, we'll continue Module 19 Guided Activity 1 with the first program, Avoid the Monster. In this program, we'll start with a generated room as described in Module 18, but we'll also add a random monster on the table. At each turn, the player will move through the room by entering a character turn by turn, the direction in which the player wants to move. After that, the computer selects a direction and moves randomly, and sure, it will show the board after each move. Now, if the computer moves in an empty place, we'll move there. But if it's not an empty place, then it will not move. So sometimes the computer will just not move, will stay in the place. If the user hits a wall, a monster, or a monster hits the user, then the user will die. Otherwise, if the user moves to the exit, the user will win. So this will be like the basic turn-by-turn part of the game. And we'll start with the code in Module 18. And in that code, we just printed the room, the initial form of the room after the initialization. What we like to do now, before we print the room, we also need to, we place some obstacles, but we also want to place the monster. So let's place the monster first, and then we'll repeat a turn, repeat the turn, repeat turn by turn, turn move, in which we'll start with printing the room. So we'll start with by printing the room, and then we'll ask the user to move. Then we will move the computer monster, or move the monster. And then we'll check the status, and we'll repeat this until the user win or lost. At the end, we'll print the message win or lost, and the final version of the room. So that's what we like to do. And sure, to print the final version of the room, we may just repeat the code that print the room. So we already had this code. Now, what we'll do in next videos will be to implement all these intermediaries step by step.